Another shape that we're going to have a go at making is to make a little flower. So this is a little bit of a recap on the dewdrop that we made. I'm going to click on this top point with my white arrow and just move the top point up. Go back to the Convert to Anchor Point tool, click on that once. I'm going to apply a nice gradient to this. I might apply a pink. Go to the Gradient tool. And spin that around. It's nice. Okay, here's a new tool to use. This tool can be a little bit tricky to get used to. So I'm going to go to the Rotate tool and click on the Rotate tool, and you'll see that it'll add a point here. So if you just click once on your top point, then that will shift the point from where the object will rotate. Now if I hold down Option on my keyboard, and you'll see that my cursor has changed, and I drag my object around, it's making a copy. Okay, and then you can do Control or Command on a Mac, D, and what will happen is Illustrator will just repeat the exact movement that you made previously. So I'll just explain that again because it can be quite tricky. So if we click on our object, go over to the Rotate tool, click on that, we'll get a little crosshairs will come up in the center of our object. If we click on the top point to move that crosshair into the central position, if I hold down Option on the computer keyboard and then drag my flower petal around, hit Command D, and Illustrator will just repeat what we created. Okay, let's draw a little central part in the middle of our flower. I'm holding down Shift again and holding the spacebar down to position the object in the middle. I'm now going to, holding down Shift, select all my petals and the central part of the flower. Click on this tool, the Free Transform tool, and if I hold down Shift, I can squash my flower to be a little bit smaller. Alright, so that's a flower. Last one, word of the star, and we'll keep the star tool and we'll create a ninja star. So draw a star object, holding down Shift again. Click on the black arrow tool to move your object. And I might change the gradient. So I'll go to my swatches, see if we can find a metal gradient. Oh, it's in here. Flick back, metals, there we go. I'll look for a metal looking ninja star. Gold look pretty cool. Okay, so I'll go back to the white arrow tool and select the top point and the points of each of these stars. I'm just holding down the Shift key and drawing a rectangle around them. And then if I go to the Free Transform tool, I can just move the Free Transform tool around and it's going to create a ninja star for us. So there you go. That was an introduction to using some basic tools and drawing some basic shapes in Illustrator. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.